If people actually knew what was happening, nobody would deposit their money into an ordinary bank account. Let's call this the Law of 72. The Law of 72 is the formula that measures compound interest. It's also known as the time value of money. Take your rate of return, the percentage of interest the bank is willing to pay you for your deposit, and divide it by 72. The answer tells you how long it will take your money to double at the rate of return. For example, if the bank were to give you a 0.01% return for depositing into your checking account at their bank, the calculation would be 72 divided by 0.01. That equals 7,200. That tells you your money will take 7,200 years to double. But if you reverse that equation to see what the bank is getting, 7,200% on your money, then your money makes them double every 72 years. That is why the bank gets richer at your expense. They know this formula. They are making your money work for them. What you must do is the same thing they are doing. You must make your money work for you. If you do not invest your money and make a return on it, they will. They will always give you a lower rate of return than what they are willing to lend out. So they always have the upper hand. Whoever invests his money will eventually take away the resources of whoever does not. The banking system actually operates by this principle of investment. And if people do not learn this principle, before it's too late, the banks will end up owning everything.